Ooh, should we go play under the bridge? We could be a troll. A troll under the bridge. Why not? I'm a van dweller down by the river, right? Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today we are here at the State Forest, and I do not know how to pronounce that, but it is a waterfall, and I am ready to go check out a waterfall. Anytime you're up north, you need to get a waterfall in. And we're here, so let's go check it out. They got picnic tables and grills, so you could definitely bring food and go spend some time here. We'll see what's over this. I hear the falls. Hopefully you guys can hear the falls too. They have this nice walkway that you can walk up to see the higher points. It gets real muddy down there. And then we come back to where we started with the falls. And then there's a nice walk down this way. We'll see where it goes. I think we're off the beaten path, but look at the stunning views. Hopefully I don't break my ankle. I don't know if this is going to come through on the video, but the sound is amazing. Check out this view, guys. The sun is hitting them trees. It is so pretty. You can see the trail of gold from the sunlight coming down. Absolutely beautiful in here. It's not a big waterfall, but it sure is pretty. Still following the river. Look at the flowers. They look like they're about to bloom, or maybe they're done. I don't know, I've never seen a flower like that. Let's check out the river. Absolutely beautiful. And it's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's a beautiful day for hiking. We are right around Rogers City. Well, the closest city is Rogers City. So if you're out and about around Rogers City, I highly recommend coming and checking out these falls. It's a nice hike. Definitely not wheelchair accessible. Make sure you got good footwear. Not like me. Wear better hiking shoes. I think we are off the beaten path, but I'm enjoying it. And rules are made to be broken, right? The terrain is definitely rough through all of this path. The initial to the fall is not bad, but if you want to do anything else, it is very rugged. And nothing is marked, so I don't know if there's self-made ones. And then the actual trail. Oh, we're coming up on a road. Well. Let's play chicken. Oh, there's cars coming too. Frogger. Woohoo. Isn't that beautiful? God, I love Michigan. All right, play Frogger again. Look at how clear the water is. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, and there is a campground here too. I see a camper pulling out right now. And then we got, oh boy, thejoylifevilla.com. St. John Virgin Islands. Woohoo! Another thing on my bucket list. All right. Oh, that one was a deep one. Ooh, should we go play under the bridge? We could be a troll. A troll under the bridge. Why not? I'm a van dweller down by the river, right? Ooh-wee. Pretty, pretty. Look at that retaining wall. Ooh, ooh. We'll come down here, see the bridge. Oh, I see Prince. Let's go through the bushes. It's pretty sandy down there.
I've been hydrating all morning long.
Thank you guys so much for watching this trip, or this waterfalls. And look at, they have abundance of parking, big sites for pull-throughs, for campers, RVers, and picnic tables. You could spend the whole day here hiking, walking, making some lunch or dinner. I feel like that's a repeat. Anyways, put toilets. I guess I'm always thinking about food. My daddy trained me to think about food all the time. I don't know, but just make sure that if you're from out of state, that you have a Michigan state passport. If you're doing any state parks, it is well worth it. And state campgrounds, it's well worth it. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.